Hello, Amy here. I am back with another video to share the process of me unpacking all my clothes from 2 wardrobes, about 4 or 6 boxes, and 8 suitcases total for myself and my 3 kids. So I moved. If you didn't know, I moved from South Florida to Texas, and my master or primary closet is huge. I do not have enough clothes to fill it up, so I have my clothes there, and as well as my eldest daughter, she has some of her clothes there as well. Clothes that she doesn't use that often, she put them in my closet, and then the clothes that she wears more often are in her closet. Excuse the video, my daughter was behind the camera and she is 8 years old. So my primary closet is as big as the second bedroom that I had in my 2 bedroom apartment. I kid you not. So once I reveal how I organize it, you're gonna see that it's not color coordinated. Okay, it's not. I did my best to organize all the clothes. I have the clothes all hanged. Some of them are folded in shelf, and all my bags are on top. My linens, I have 2 racks for my shoes. You see my linens, all the sheets, comforters, and all the towels are on the top shelf. And I have all my suitcases. I have my underwears, bras, and everything folded. And I have a place for my shoes, and I have a place for everything. It's a regular closet for a regular working, very busy working mom of 3. I organized this myself. I didn't pay someone to do it. It's not color coordinated. It's not perfect, but it's mine. Thank you for watching. Please